Welcome back to the Ride Factor. And we are in California. Anyways, we're going to... Where are we going, babe?
Disneyland!
We're going to Disneyland. So this is actually going to be 2 videos, one at each park, because that's just the way... I can't cover everything in one video, right?
Yeah, and
Right.
actually this is our halfway point to all of the Disneys in the world.
Yes, so we have been to Disneyland Paris. We are now going to be at Disneyland here in California. And we're from Florida, so we're used to Disney World. I don't know when we're ever going to get to the other parks.
It'll happen.
Well, we will pick you up at Disneyland. All right, babe, we made it. We are in Disneyland Park.
I'm gonna try the corn dogs.
We got corn dogs, and we're hungry. And then we got a reservation for, what was it? The Matterhorn bobsled, so.
Their honey mustard is apparently superior to other honey mustard. We shall see.
Look at that bite.
It's pretty good.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. So what would you rate it? So like, the way my ranking scale, we've been doing it in the videos is like 0 is the worst corn dog you've ever had. 10 is like the best corn dog you've ever had. You can't rate it on like everything you've ever eaten. So like on a scale of corn dog.
I mean, I don't really eat corn dogs, so I'd give it like a solid 7.
7?
7. It's a pretty...
7.
I actually like this corn dog. It's actually really good. It's got just the right amount of crunch. Usually they're soggy.
Babe, it was like $36 for the 2 corn dogs, 2 bags of chips, the sauce, and 2 Cokes, right?
Yes, it is Disney.
Okay.
Eat that corn dog. Isn't it so good?
Wow.
Right?
That's like an 8.5.
Look at you go.
Wow. Well, let's go finish this before we go ride Matterhorn. So, babe, what do you think about this little itty bitty castle?
It's laughable.
It's petite. I think Disneyland Paris's castle was bigger too. Is this the smallest of them all?
I think so. But it was also the first one that was built.
Well, we are going to be on to Matterhorn. I won't lie, Matterhorn bobsled. We did the right side. We got to do the left side now. And I got to say, I don't think it was, it's an old Disney ride, I'll say that. All right, Space Mountain here at Disneyland
Way better than Disney World.
beats Disney World.
Like by a lot.
But it doesn't beat Hyperspace Mountain
I don't
at
think
Disneyland Paris. So
I think it goes Paris.
then again,
California.
they're totally different rides, except the one here in Disney World are very similar.
Paris still wins.
Paris still wins.
But it changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
All right, babe. Smuggler's Run.
Always fun. I'm always the best, but it's because I can't look at the screen.
She gets nauseous with anything that has a screen. Yeah, all she does is look at the buttons, which helps her out get the best accuracy in the ride. I think we're on for Rise of the Resistance. Rise of the Resistance went down, which is a little sad, but we are making our way over to Big Thunder since we have a Lightning Lane reservation for it. babe, Alice in Wonderland. Woo. Alice in Wonderland children, man. That's
Super fun. Don't be high on that.
Now this is curious. Told you you. Now you do.
Hey, babe. If someone took psychedelics and took this ride, how would they feel?
I think we might think the Queen of Hearts is trying to kill them.
Also, I wouldn't wait more than 25 minutes for it. But we are going to DCA now, so this would be the end of this video.
Hold on. We're going shopping first.
Yes, but we're making our way over to DCA, and we will start our trip over there on the scariest ride that I think I'm ever going to ride.
You lost though.
I'll explain that in the next video. So check back next week. Hopefully I don't die on the next ride. Maybe you won't get this video. Who knows? All right, catch you. I'll see you at the next theme park, the next adventure, or the next roller coaster.
Babe, could you stop recording and get me a Mickey ice cream?
Yes, let's go. Mickey ice cream, we're out now.